What is that for?
With that.
What is this?
It's a gas.
This is gas?
What's that?
Oh, that's fuel.
It's a gas that goes there.
It's a weed eater.
What's this one?
It's another weed eater.
Another weed eater.
Oh, I like this. But I
You do the pressure
What is
washer?
that?
a pressure washer.
Pressure washer.
Let's open
Oh.
this.
What goes in there? Chemicals?
Yeah. What's this?
Those are the nozzles.
What's the roof? What's the red one go?
They go on the pressure washer.
Tell us the colors. What color is this?
Red.
Which one's this one?
What's that one go?
It goes on here. Look, this is the gun.
Sure washer. Bless you.
Good. Hold the gun. Put them on. Now what's this?
Oh, I swear.
Okay. Now you get the attachments. What's this? Look. What color is this?
Where?
What color is it?
Oh, red. What's it go?
Red. Show mommy. Red.
Red.
It goes in here. Ready? Look. On. Look, it's on. Now you got the red. Okay, you want to get the other color?
I'll try yellow.
Did Daddy help you? What color do you want to try?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Put it in the hole. What color is it? Yellow.
What is
Good.
it?
Yellow.
Very good.
Come here, look. Here you go. Now you got yellow.
I try white.
What color are we gonna try?
White.
White.
I'll take the white off.
What color are you getting? White. I'll get the white. I will help you. I can't get it. You get it.
Good job.
Put the white in there. Push. You did it. Okay, now hold it.
Ah, don't spray me. I'll try blue.
What color are we getting now?
Blue.
What color is that? Black.
I hold the blue.
Push. All right, let's see. Did you get it in? You did it. Now you got the black.
Ah, don't spray me.
It's a Jonathan song, and he sing it along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day.